Laughing at myself, and I want to share this. As I was talking about the runner's high and nature's way, and the nature's way is everywhere, I was laughing. It's so simple, therefore we don't see it. Then I thought about Tao Te Ching and found this one, talking about laughter. It's Tao Te Ching number 41. When a superior man hears of the Tao, he immediately begins to embody it. When an average man hears of the Tao, he half believes it, half doubts it. When a foolish man hears the Tao, he laughs out loud. If he didn't laugh, it wouldn't be Tao. So that was stupid to laugh out according to this. But I was laughing out that people may laugh out. That the story of this nature's way sounds so out of the world, even though it is the essence of the world, or the universe. So we may not get it. And no matter how much I talk, it's no use. So that's what this Tao Te Ching is talking about. I'm not saying my talk is always in line with the Tao, but there may be an element of it that it doesn't sound like anything important or significant because it's the nature's way. But the nature's way is so profound. So hopefully we embody it. Maybe like average man, he half believe it and half doubt it. Or some others who may laugh out or even don't care. But that's the nature of Tao, the nature's way. Okay, let me read the rest of this 41. I may want to come back later because I'm just changing the sequence of how I post this. So, when the foolish man hears of the Tao, he laughs out loud. If he didn't laugh, it won't be the Tao. Thus it is said, the path into the light seems dark. The path forward seems to go back. The direct path seems long. True power seems weak. True purity seems tarnished. True steadfastness seems changeable. True clarity seems obscure. The greatest art seems unsophisticated. The greatest love seems indifferent. The greatest wisdom seems childish. The Tao is nowhere to be found, yet it nourishes and completes all things. Exactly. Tao is nowhere to be found, but it's everywhere. It nourishes and completes all things. I will leave with that. I think this is profound. Thank you, and have a good day. Good life.